16, what is the domain of this function? The domain is which x's work. So what x's can we plug in here and get an answer back out? Well, if it's a square root, I can take square root of anything as long as it's not a negative. I can't take square root of a negative number. So I need everything inside here to stay bigger than or equal to 0. Basically saying, hey, I need you to be positive. I can't have you be negative. So all I got to do is just solve that equation. Whenever I have a radical, I'm just going to say, hey, you got to be greater than or equal to 0, and then solve it. So I add 6, negative 3x has to be bigger than or equal to 6. Now I divide by negative 3, divide by negative 3. When I divide by a negative, I must remember flip the sign. Okay, so the answer here is, hey, all real numbers, as long as the real numbers of x is greater than or equal to 2. Greater than. Crazy me, it's early in the morning. X is less than or equal to negative 2. So negative 3 will work, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6. Early morning. All right, number 17. What is the domain of this? Well, in a fraction, what can't you have happen? I can never divide by 0. It's not possible. You can't put things in groups of nothing. So I'm simply like, hey, I can plug in any x and it'll work. I just can't have this guy come out to be 0. Well, what's going to create that problem? Well, we can easily see you can't let x be 1 because 1 minus 1 is going to be 0 in the bottom. We can't have that happen. But any other number works. So we say the domain here is everybody, all real numbers, except x cannot equal 1.